to Jurassic World Rebirth toy hunt here. Finally at Target, they finally stocking the Rebirth toy. They have a couple of new ones. One of it I did a couple days ago. Super Colossal Mosasaurus at $69.99. This is 36-inch in length here. And they also have, finally, the Super Colossal Tyrannosaurus Rex here. This is massive. Look how detailed this it is. It's 39 inches here. Compared to the Mosasaurus, it's 36 inches. So this is 3 feet. This is 3 feet 3 inches. So this is a little bit longer. The T-Rex here. It's also $69.99. Look like on the back for the T-Rex here. It's massive. You can fit a bunch of minis in here, up to I believe you can fit up to 20 like the Mosasaurus here. Yeah, there's up to 20 minis right there. And then it will shoot right down. There's a exit section by his belly. You can get all the thing back out. The T-Rex here. Look how pretty cool detail. There's no noise, but this is soft teeth surrogated here. The tongue is right there. Mouth move up and down. There's a detail of it. Everything's hardened plastic. It's more grayish with a black stripes all around his back. So there's this detail of his mouth and jaw feature here. There's his arms. So Super Colossal Tyrannosaurus Rex and Super Colossal Mosasaurus, both is $69.99 here at Target. This will make it sound like this T-Rex here on the electronic real feel. This is still $49.99 here. So let's see. Tyrannosaurus Rex here still $56.99, ridiculous price. We have the Carnotaurus, $34.99, and the Roar Command Tyrannosaurus Rex is $24.99. There's also a new one here. We have the Jurassic World Rebirth Tytannosaurus. This is 59 inches too. And in length here is $69.99. That's what it looks like here. This is a massive box compared like a gigantic Colossasaurus. This is more like let me put it upside down here. There you go. Kind of like a Bronchosaurus kind of type dinosaur figure here. That's what it looks like on the back. That's how big it is. It's huge. Like I said, it's 59 inches long or 150 centimeters. This is one of the massive. And there's the unlocked scan code is on the bottom of one of his foot here. So probably on right. So we'll look for it. Majority of the scan codes on the bottom right of the code here. There's also Battle Claw Spinosaurus, $19.99, and they also have this new one here. Is the Jurassic World Tyrannosaurus Rex here. These are micro adventures. They're $19.99 here at Target. There's a Spinosaurus and a T-Rex version. And it looks like on the back. And it comes with 3 minis here. Ankylosaurus, T-Rex, and pterodactyl. There's the mouth. It looks like on the back of it. It's kind of like a dinosaur feature. You can put the minis in the mouth, kind of like a land, like waterfall. See it? So it's like a little micro land inside the jaw of a Tyrannosaurus Rex, or inside the jaw of a Spinosaurus. Like I said, it's 1999. Here's a Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus more like the whole jaw open wide open here, and or you can partially close it like that one, little partially open, or all the way open wide here, like almost there. That's what it looked like in 1999. There's also another one here, a new one. It's called the Jurassic World Spinosaurus Danger Set here, and this is $34.99 here. So $34.99. This is a new one too. $34.99 for Spinosaurus Danger Set here. So far I only saw these at Target, so it might be a Target exclusive. Jurassic World Spinosaurus Danger Set. Come with a Spinosaurus. There it is. This will look like on the back. And two characters here. And they got some weapons too, a gun and a weapon case. So they come with a weapon case and utility tool included. There's a flare gun and look like a rifle kind of type gun. So this is what the context is. What's in it? A Spinosaurus, two character, a rifle kind of gun, weapon case, knife, flare gun, and a weapon holder. So this is $34.99. Here's what the Spinosaurus will look like. Pretty cool detail compared to the Spinosaurus here. Kind of similar right there. This is I think it's THRASHER. Let me check the price of it. I don't think it's $30.49 here. I think I got the wrong price on the THRASHER. So let me check the price on this one. Let me go down here, check the price. Give me a second. There it is. Yeah, the price here is $49.99 on a Spinosaurus. So I would not buy the Spinosaurus here at Target. I'll buy this at Walmart. Walmart is $10 cheaper. It's $39, or I think it's $39.99 at 97 at Walmart. So buy this Spinosaurus here at Walmart. THRASHER Spinosaurus at Walmart is way cheaper. You still got the old Track and Attack Indoraptor, $34.99. Gigantic Thrasher, Tyranno Titan, and they got the mask here. They got the mask here. Jurassic World mask, $16.99 here. You got the Spinosaurus, and you got the T-Rex. They also have the Strike Attack here. Tapajara, Mosasaurus, Ucosaurus, and Inostransivia here. All $11.99 here at Target here. They got some old one here, Dennis Nedry here. It's $24.99. You also got these minis, Jurassic World Chaos Mini here. It's $29.99. We got that gigantic Thrasher here. It's $24.99. And they got this new one here too. We have the Hammond Collection Velociraptor here. It's $14.99 here at Target. These Hammond Collections only at Target. I don't see these at Walmart. Look like on the back of this, the Hammond Collection. This is the Velociraptor. And I believe they got another one here. Where is it at? I think they, it's check it on the side. They have another one. Let me look around here. They have a couple displays here too. Look at these. Here's Jurassic Chaos Theater display, end cap Target. All these old ones here. T-Rex here, reimagined. But they got the new Rebirth one that was on this side. Right here. Here's the Rebirth. This is a good display here. Look at that. Mosasaurus. I like this sign on this one. So there's T-Rex and Spinosaurus. They also have these Wild Mosasaurus. Buy these at Walmart. They're cheaper. Walmart's at $15. This is $19 here. One of my favorites, Utah Raptor. Baryonyx. And the last one is Tyrannosaurus. These are $18.99 here at Target, but Walmart's way cheaper. And there's a Triceratops and try and tighten again. And there's the Mosasaurus again. They also have this here. It's called a Jurassic World T-Rex Primal Hatch here. So this is a new one here. Primal Hatch. That's what it looks like on the side. T-Rex, I guess it's inside of it. Oh, you know what? Oh, so it's kind of like a hatch your own dinosaur. So there's they hatch, they feed, they train, and attack. So this looks like there's a click to command controller with this. It's $59.99 at Target here. This looks like on the side view, and on the back. This looks on the front. So it's a hatch egg, hatch your own dinosaur, $59.99. So there's quite a few new things here at Target compared to Walmart. There's that new dinosaur figure for Jurassic World Rebirth here. So let's recap the new one here. We got the Spinosaurus Danger Set here. It's $34.99. So this is $34.99 for this Spinosaurus Danger Set. We also have this TItanosaurus, the $69.99. We have the Super Colossal Mosasaurus, of course, but the new one here I didn't see is the Super Colossal Tyrannosaurus Rex here. So, and don't forget they also have the Bite and Blast Mosasaurus here too. So there's quite a few figures here at the Bite and Blast here is $39.99 here at Target. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.